what I got here is I got the tire off on the Grand Cherokee, and you can hear right in between there's a rock. You can just see it. Can't. It's right. I can see it real good right there. I can, but I can't get you guys to see it good. It's right. Can you look between there and you see the light? There's a light right there, and the light picks up down there right in the middle. There's a black spot. That's a rock, and that's making a hellacious noise when this wheel goes round. But I'll put the what do you call under here? I'll pull the caliper off, and then I'll pull I'll pop the rotor off real quick, and we'll see what falls out. All right. In 40 years of driving, I've never once seen that. I've fished it out a little bit from there, but that's what it is. It's a rock. 40 years of driving, four-wheel and off-roading, never seen a little driveway rock cause a noise like that. But I'm gonna pop it out of there, put the wheel back on. Another one fixed.